Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I've made the Kricketot chocolate strawberry sandwich cookies. Now I thought this was a good idea. It seemed to have everything that I had in the house, which is a small miracle. But I will interject and say do not freeze the mix and maybe add some more flour. Because it was such a sticky mix and trying to cut them out when the dough is partially frozen is just impossible. But yeah, let's go through this one. So the basic cookie mix is 150 grams of plain flour. I would maybe suggest 180 to 200. 40 grams of cocoa powder, 120 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of sugar, and once that mix just come together, you're going to add an egg. It does also say a quarter teaspoon of salt. I used salted butter instead of unsalted, so I haven't added the salt in this particular occasion. So when you're happy with that, this is when it suggests to roll the mixture out on baking paper, cover it again with another thing of baking paper and freeze it for an hour. I would maybe fridge it for half an hour if you really want the mixture to be cold. It will be easier to work with when it's colder, but being frozen, you're going to hurt yourself trying to cut them out. I nearly did for sure. And then you're going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Once you've cut out your shapes, make sure you've got an even number as well. They will be baking in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. Once they're out and they've had a chance to cool down, you're going to spread some strawberry or raspberry jam on one of your two biscuits and then sandwich it like I've done with those teddy bears. Let me know how you get on if you do try this one. Let me know how much flour you tried. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.